This is Mr. Humbard here. I'm going to be reviewing this assignment. It's been a bit, but I feel like it would be beneficial still to cover it. So, with how this works, I'm using a mouse, so it's going to be a little bit faster than some of you. What you're going to do is multiply this amount in grams. I'm going to convert it to kilograms by this conversion factor, 1 kilogram over 1,000. Because that's equal to 1, you're not changing it at all. Just multiplying by 1. So 1,640 grams is 1.64 kilograms. So we want to do down and diagonal to cancel. There's our 48.26 centimeters is 19 inches. So we're just multiplying by 1 every time. So 14 ounces down diagonal to cancel. And we get 14 divided by 16 is 0.875. So here is where that goes. It goes in front. And we want the grams. So gram goes on top. And we want ounces. So we need to find grams to ounces. It looks like, oh, milligrams, my bad. Here's grams, and this is milligrams. So it's going to be 1,000, so 16.822. I just moved the decimal 3 over. It was here, and it was here, and then I moved it 3 over. 1, 2, 3, because I'm dividing by 1,000. So quart to milliliter. I want milliliter on top. I want quarts on bottom because down diagonal is going to cancel. So 4.8 times 946. So 4540.8. So millimoles, want that on top, moles on bottom. It's going to be moving this decimal over 3, so 1, 2, 3. 8,340. So centiliters, there's 100. C is 100. So there's 100 centiliters in 1 liter, which is it's right there. So it has to be down diagonal to cancel. I made that little mistake there. So it's going to be moving this decimal 2 to the left since I'm dividing it by 100. So 1 and 2. 0.0074. $15 feet is the same as how many yards? Well, here's 1 yard, 3 feet. That's 1. So their answer is going to be 5 yards. Because 15 over 3. Kilometers are in 230 meters. Well, it's going to be 0.23. I already know the answer to that. It's just dividing by 1,000. We find our kilometers. Here it is. Kilometer goes on top, meters goes on bottom. So just moving this over 3. 1, 2, and 3. 0.23. Alright, and I could do this on paper. I don't have paper though. I'm going to use this. See if I can write it out here. Might have to use the highlighter. I'm not sure it's going to pop up. Well, if I don't, so grams are in 160 pounds. 60 pounds times. We want the amount of grams here, so 4 2.54 grams over 1 pound. So that's going to cancel, and we're going to get 160 times 454. So 72,640. All right. For multi-step, I just have to convert this all at once. So pound goes there, gram goes there, because down diagonal cancel. Kilogram goes there, gram goes there. There's my answer. So 18 times 454 over 1,000 is 8.172. That goes there. Feet just cancel here because I want centimeters, so inches has to go there. Centimeters has to be on top, so inches has to cancel. And that's gonna work out to 2.7 times 12 times 2.54, or 82.296. Centigrams are in 13 ounces. Well, you have to cancel the ounces to get pounds. Then we have to cancel the pounds to get grams. Then we want centigrams, so centigrams has to be on top, grams has to be on bottom. So we're going to get 0.13 times 454 times 100 divided by 16. 368.875. Okay, milliliters are in 3.2 gallons. So for this problem, I want to convert from gallons to quarts. Now I want to go from quarts to milliliters. Here I get to my unit. This cancels, this gallon cancels that gallon, quarts cancels that quarts, and I'm left with milliliters. So it's just going to be 3.2 times 4 times 946. 1210.8.8. Oh, I did not type that in, did I? 2108. 8.8. Like so. So kiloliter to deciliter. Cancel that kiloliter to get liter. Then when we go to deciliter, it has to be there. And this is going to give me my answer, 2.2 times 10,000, or 22,000. All right. So 19 yards is the same as 3 feet. Or 19 yards can be converted by multiplying by 3 over 1, because feet per yard. Then we're going to want to convert that from feet to inches. Or we want, no, yeah, we do feet to inches. And then we're going to want to convert from inches to centimeters, then from centimeters to meters. 19 times 3 times 12 times 2.54 divided by 100. Or 17 0.3736. Okay. Centiliters to quarts. So first I need to find liters. Then I need to find gallons. Can't get that milliliters. Then I could find this one, convert to quarts. Like so. And from here, 1892 times 1,000 divided by 100 times 946. So 20. All right. Centigrams are in this milligram thing, so for this one, we want to convert this to grams. And now we want to convert that to centigrams. So it looks like we're going to divide this value by 10, because 100 over 1,000 is 10, and 0.48 divided by 10 is going to be 0.0488. That's going to be your answer. So milligrams to ounces. It seems like we should try to get into grams, because if we can get to grams, we can get to pounds. If we get to pounds, we can get to ounces. So it looks like that's how we're going to do this. So 9,080 times 16 divided by 1,000 times 454.32. Okay. Number 10. If I want how many feet are in milliliters, let's see if it's going to write. So if I do 6.096, hard to see, but it's somewhat visible. And that's in millimeters. I multiply this by, I want to make that meters, or centimeters. We'll find it meters first. So millimeter is 1,000. So 1 meter is 1,000 millimeter. And then I want to make that in centimeters because I have this conversion. It's really going to help me. Centimeters to inches, and from inches we can get to feet. So from meters, we can get to centimeters. 1 centimeter, or 1 meter, is 100 centimeters. And now, looks like we can multiply that by, because now we're in centimeters, we can multiply that by our inches. 1 inch, 2.54 centimeters. Multiply by the 12 inches in 1 foot, so 12 inches 1 foot. Now we're in feet, so we have 6.096 divided by 10 times 2.54 times 12. And I made sure to put parentheses around all of that. So 0.02. Like so. All right, that'll be it for part 1.